Meeting you.
Thank you, sir. It was an honor meeting you.
I hope we'll be back tonight, so
Yeah, I'll be here.
go ride a little bit and come back. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Dude, I'll send you a text, too, to make sure you got my number.
Sweet. I think David's up here. He's gonna get a shot of us leaving. The second camp was run over by a homeless yesterday, and they kicked him out, and I think that's where they moved to, was the first camp we went to. David, he was kind enough to let me camp at his spot last night. There was no spots left. String up a hammock, and that's it. And then string up a hammock and just sleep for a few hours, and he was kind enough to let me do that. So shout out to David. This is a neat little town. $120, I think, is what we want. That's us. Now we're in Pocahontas. I'm not sure where the next road is we're supposed to hop on, but I hope it's right up here. Oh, look at this old train car. That's cool. I guess we're gonna have to pull over here. Go down here and check out this said it was a tunnel, so we're gonna ride down here and check it out. Our next road's right back there at the top, so we're gonna come down here and see what this is all about. I'm loving these roads, man. This is awesome. I have no idea where I'm at. I know that I'm near Pocahontas. I think that's in Virginia, and I just crossed back over into West Virginia, but I got an idea about where I'm at, but not really. But these roads are amazing. Yeah, we took a slight detour to go see this tunnel. Oh wow, man, your house catches on fire back here like nobody's knowing about it. I don't think I've had cell phone service for a while. Oh, here's a tunnel. I think that's a tunnel, but I don't think that's the tunnel we're looking for. I think it's this one. So I believe the tunnel we were looking for is a train tunnel. There was a sign of no trespassing, so I decided to turn around because we are out in the middle of nowhere. Creepy. Check out this up here. Just old barns and like trash everywhere. One of these burned down or something. No, I'm gonna take a picture with the tunnel. Is the Elkhorn Tunnel the train tunnel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you want to see a real tunnel?
Yeah.
There's a tunnel right there on the railroad track. Maybe once you get up there, you'll see the tunnel. It goes all the way through.
Where up the hill?
Up a hill. There's a road down here. There's a trailer. You see, you turn right at a white church. Go across a little old creek about like that. The railroad trucks go up there. Then you can go all the way. It's a gravel road all the way to that tunnel. You can see through that for it's got manholes in it. It's cool. We rode our horses through it one time.
Is it an active railroad?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How far is it down there?
Once you get up on top of that, it ain't a half a mile.
Oh, okay. Trains run through there often?
Yeah, don't go in the tunnel. We got our horses through that like that.
Gotcha, okay.
They got manholes all through it.
Okay, I'll go check it out. Well, we're gonna go check out this tunnel now. I guess he's gonna lead us the way.
Turn right here, you're going right, go across the creek. See that over there?
Yeah.
You follow that road up and you'll come out, right? The railroad track's 2 tracks, but there's a railroad road big enough for 18-wheeler, big enough for 18-wheeler, 18-wheeler, 18-wheeler to go out to the
Tunnel.
tunnel. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll go check it out, man. Thank you. Well, this is gonna be interesting. I hope I can get up this hill. Mind you, I'm on street tires here. Come on, baby. This is gonna be fun getting down. Oh boy. Yeah, that's gonna be real fun getting back down. This is probably the sketchiest thing I've ever done on this bike. Where's the road he's talking about? I don't want to venture too much further. Yeah, I don't see the road he's talking about. This might have been a bust. I'm not going any further on this gravel. It was already far enough. In the name of adventure, right? Let's get turned around and back out of here. Well, that was a bust. This thing is the Swiss Army knife of motorcycles. Nice and slow, baby. Oh, that's steep as sh.
This is the worst.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow. It looks like the gravel's not as thick over here. We got it. Whew, I'm pouring sweat right now. I knew better. Never trust an old man on the side of the road. My arms are sore. That was an adventure for sure. A little more than I wanted. Fun nonetheless. Paint's peeling off of that one. Wow. Oh, it comes down that, I assume. Wow. It was nice and cool this morning. It's so hot now already. Get out of this heat for a little while and maybe restock on my water, which I knew it would. I'm glad I started early. I'm gonna go ahead and assume there's nowhere to eat here. I would have loved to see this town in the heyday whenever coal was at its peak. Wow. So the lady in the gas station told me that Sterling's Diner up here is one of the best places to eat. I took my 360 off because I'm going to go in and sit down and take a break. Done eating and filling up. We got a full tank again. I took about probably an hour break, enjoy some food and recoup. It's so hot right now. I had to stop and get more water. Went ahead and filled up the water pack and got an extra water. Wow. I'd hate for one of them to fall down. This is incredible. We're out in the middle of nowhere, dude. We're out here on another back road. We're almost, we're getting there. We're almost done. Yeah, we're making good progress. It's just so hot out here. It's almost 100 degrees out. I'm just pouring sweat. I don't know where I'm at. Okay, to the right. Well, I don't really have a GPS. I think we've got lost one time, but that's because I missed my turn. We cut back a different way. I didn't want to end up back down at the bottom of the mountain, so we just kept coming up because we were already kind of at the top. So the ride's over. The game plan now, still need more water because I will be going back home tomorrow morning. I'm staying the night again. Now, all that's left to do, get to this campsite, chill out, and enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah, I've had a good time. My butt is sore. I'm ready to get off this motorcycle now, for at least for a few hours. So yeah, thanks for joining me. It was semi-successful. I learned a lot. I definitely can see where there's room for improvement, things to change, things to make better. Overall, I'm happy with the outcome. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks for tagging along with me.
Approximately 10 hours later.
It's currently 5 o'clock in the morning. We're packed up and ready to go, but we got to start up this monster here, so we pushed it up a little bit further. Hopefully this view for one last time. Oh yeah, beautiful.